Stick your arm around behind this bar, right along the top of the exhaust. Cold engine, please. You can reinsert that right in there. The plug, make sure it's not green and corroded. If it is, disconnect it. Take the accessory plug off the machine, clean it, reinstall it, and put a little dielectric grease on it. Do you see anything wrong in this picture? The most common springtime question a technician receives with these is, why does my bike run like shit after I've changed the battery? What have I done? Do you see what's wrong here? Quite often when a fuel tank is removed, the throttle cable becomes dislodged. Belongs down there, not up here. If it sits up here, it's pulling that bell crank. See? Just that little bit. Throws the balance to the other cylinder way off. So it's not going to start. If it does, it's going to run terribly. Make sure your throttle cables are seated back in their little pockets before you reinstall everything. Both sides. Install the tank from the right side. That's all good. Now we can put this on. Remember, oddments tray door unlatched will make this installation much easier. Finger. Fit this in. Because it's an authority model, I have to lift around the support bar for the front crash bars. Bulb to the outside, door falls open. Just tip this a little this way. Here. Put the finger in. Push the panel that way. Lift it up over the tank. Then you have your quarter turn pin. Install your fasteners. I start with this one. Lift the panel up to close up the seam. Mirror next. Remember, if you have an 1100 RT, it's the 30mm long screw.